Repeat after me. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good. All right, we're gonna rotate arms. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good. Other way. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good. All right, feet apart, hands in your knees. Turn our shoulder to one side. Repeat after me. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good job. Other side now. Okay. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good. All right, arms crossed, head down to the middle. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good job. Awesome. All right, shake your hand, shake your leg, shake it out. Ready? And 처리해. 그냥. Good work. Alright guys, welcome to week 10 of class B. Now in today's video, we're going to be following up what we did the other day, which is footwork combinations with strikes. Okay, so let's get started. 처리해. 그냥. Awesome. Alright, so today we're going to practice something called a triangle step. Okay, triangle step. So we're going to take one foot back, hands up just like this. Okay, now a triangle step is a really sneaky way of you switching your stance. Okay, so we're going to practice a triangle step today and something called a blitz punch. Okay, so hands up like this. So when we do a triangle step, we're going to take this foot, we're going to slide it up here, and we're going to take our opposite foot and step out here. Now if you notice on the ground, it's kind of like you're drawing a triangle. Okay, so hands up like this, slide up, foot steps back. Good. Again, slide up, foot steps back. Good. Again, slide up, foot steps back. Good. Nice. Now this time, when I say go, we're going to go step, step. Okay, on our own. Ready? And go. Step, step. Good. 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 Zooming faster. Go. Step, step. Good. Ready? One more. Go. Step, step. Good. Nice job. Okay. Now this time, we're going to practice punching on both sides. Usually we have this foot back. We're going to use both feet today. Okay? So we're going to go. Everyone show me jab, cross, step, step. Now this hand's now your jab. Jab, cross. Okay, so we're switching our hands. Again, step, step, jab, cross, step, step, jab, cross. Good. Now when we step and when we throw this jab, remember the jab hand is always the foot that lines up in front. Okay, so this is always my jab. So if I switch my feet, now this hand's my jab. Okay, let's try that again. Ready? This foot back, jab, cross, step, step, jab, cross. Awesome, awesome. All right, let's go a little bit faster now. Let's see if you can do this challenge. Here, show me jab, cross, step, step, jab, cross, step, step. Good. Jab, cross, step, step. Good. One more. Jab, cross, step, step. Good. Good work. Okay, now this time we're going to practice something called a blitz punch. Okay? Now a blitz punch, all we're going to do is we're going to have this foot back. We're going to take a step forward, and as we take a step forward, we're going to punch with our left hand. Okay? So again, let's practice that. So here, we're going to step forward, punch. Now from here, we're going to take this foot, we're going to step forward, punch. Good, nice. Now we're going to step backwards, step back, punch. Step back, punch. Okay? This is called a blitz punch. Okay, so let's try this again. One foot back, we're going to step forward, punching with our left hand. Ready, step, punch, step, punch. Now backwards, step, punch, step, punch. Awesome, good. All right, I'll show you guys from this angle too. So we're going to go step, punch, step, punch. Stepping backwards, step, punch, step, punch. Awesome. Now, when you do this punch, you're actually supposed to do it really fast. Okay, so this is what it looks like. When you're here, you're supposed to go 1, 2. Okay, so let's try that together. Ready? And go. 1, 2. Okay, and then move your head left and right. Okay, like good head movement. Ready? And go. 1, 2. Nice, good job. Nice, good job. Ready? Go. Ready? 1, 2. Good, good, nice, good. One more time, one more time. Ready? Go. 1, 2. Good, good work. Awesome. Okay, now this time we're gonna add a few things. We're gonna go blitz, blitz, round kick. Okay, so blitz, blitz, round kick. Let's try that. Ready? Go. Blitz, blitz, round kick. Awesome, good, awesome. Let's do that again. Ready? And go. Blitz, blitz, round kick. Nice. One more time. Ready? And go. Blitz, blitz, round kick. Awesome job. High five. Very good work. Now we're going to do some exercises. We're going to do some push-ups and butterfly kicks. Now these combinations, they're going to be a little bit harder today, but it's going to make sure that you're prepared for the Guardian, because the next class you're going to see, we're facing off an even bigger challenge. Okay, and a bigger challenge. And these exercises are going to matter. So make sure you work really hard, and I'll see you guys there.
Alright everyone, very good job. Now before we get into the mat chat lesson today, we're going to do some deep breathing exercises. So just like before, when you see the green dot, take a deep breath in, and when you see the blue, take a deep breath out. So we're going to breathe in for 4 seconds, breathing in with your nose, in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more, breathe in, 2, 3, 4, breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now this time, we're going to breathe in for 6 seconds and breathe out for 10 seconds. Now every time you take a deep breath in, make sure you use your nose, and when you breathe out, just use your mouth. Okay, so in for 6, out for 10. Breathing in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now for this last part, if you can sit down crisscross, hands on your knees, you can close your eyes if you want to. Now all I want you to do is focus on how your head feels. If there's any tingling, now focus on your ears, on your nose, on your mouth, on your jaw. And every time you breathe, try to relax all the muscles in your face. Now I want you to focus on your shoulders. If they're feeling tight, gently let them go. Let your whole body relax. If your legs feel sore or tired, I want you to try to think about relaxing them every time you take a deep breath out. And let your whole body be very still and relaxed. Try to think of nothing. Think of a total white room where nothing is entering your mind. Go ahead and open your eyes.
Awesome job today, guys. Now today we're going to talk about something a little different. We're going to talk about how to make new friends, right? So how do you make your friend? How do you meet your friends? Well, most of us, when you meet a friend, you have something you both really like, right? Maybe you like the same movie, maybe you like the same ice cream, maybe you like the same kind of stuff that you guys like to do, maybe you like the same games, okay? Whatever the case is, okay? That's how a lot of friends are made. I know I met my friends this way. I met my friends through martial arts, right? And if you guys meet your friends in any way, one of the biggest things you can do to find out if someone can be your friend is ask them what they like, right? So if you're nervous and you really want to make more friends, and maybe you see some kids at the playground, or maybe you see them at the store and you notice that they're reading a book, right? And maybe that's the same book you like. My challenge to you is maybe go ahead and say hi and go ahead and tell them that you like that book too, right? You never know what it's going to lead to. You never know that you might have a really great friend out of it, right? So a lot of kids, are very lonely, right? So if you're somebody that maybe you might feel a little lonely sometimes, or you notice somebody that feels lonely, if you go talk to them, you're gonna make their day. You're gonna make them really, really happy. Now, here's the thing. A lot of you guys, a lot of kids fear that I'm gonna get embarrassed, right? They're worried about talking to someone new because they're worried about what that person might think, okay? Now, this is all in your head. This is all in your mind, okay? Now, the reason why you think that way is because you probably have this idea, you have a really good imagination that something bad is gonna happen, when in reality, nothing bad is gonna happen. Okay, so that's what I recommend for you. Now, if you're really nervous about talking to somebody new, but you have that desire, really simple thing you can do is give someone a high five, right? If you walk by somebody and you want to say hi to them, you just give them a high five, right? And that's all you do. You don't do anything else. You don't expect anything else, right? If you make this a habit, it's actually going to be easier to talking to new people. Okay, so that's my challenge to you. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you guys when you face the Guardian. Chayet, Kanye. Awesome job. See you guys later.